Hello, and welcome to Ms. Shaw's High Frequency Learning video for Thursday, September 17th. So as you know, we've been working with high frequency words all week, a, to, and like, and hopefully you've been reviewing the flashcards and writing them rainbow sight words, doing the flashcards online. Your objective for today, what will I do today? You're going to work with like, a, and to. Today you're going to identify and read high frequency words a, to, and like by reading the decodable story Sam Sat on pages 61 through 63. Sam Sat. So we are working with the consonant S. And for our Google Meets, we will probably read this through together. So I will let you know to bring your book to our Google Meets for 10 o'clock, and we're going to read Sam Sat together. So turn to page 61 and follow along with your finger. The story is Sam Sat. So you're going to use your pointing finger to point to each word. You might recognize some of these words because they were our sight words from last week. I am Sam. I am Sam. Sam is the little girl's name. I like to sit. I like a mat. So let's read it a little bit faster. I like to sit. I like a mat. So if you know the sight words I, am, like, and to, you have almost read all of those sentences by yourself. Last page, Sam sat at the mat. Sam sat at the mat. So we have got some short A sounds, remember? Medial sounds that we've been working with Monday and Tuesday. The ah and Sam, ah and am, ah and mat, ah and Sam, ah and sat, ah and at, and ah and mat. So we have lots of short A sounds in this decodable story. So we will read this together during our Google Meets tomorrow. See you then.